Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, crazy cat artist. A little kitten here, drawing a little kitten. Just get the shapes in for that open mouth and just mapping things out. Ears are very different on a kitten. They're kind of lower down on the head. And I guess the head kind of grows into them. Just making sure I got everything in the right spot. But not worrying about perfection, that's for sure. It's those little imperfections that add the character. It really is. And you just have to allow it to happen. I love to hear what you want to learn about cat drawing, what kind of poses you want to draw cats in, what kind of situations you want to draw cats in. Cats, kittens. So if you have an idea, please drop me a comment and put video idea in capital letters so I can find it easily. And I'll do my best to get it on here. Or just tell me about your cat. How many cats you have, whatever. I love to hear where you're from too. It's really cool to connect with people all over the world. And you will help contribute to our awesome community of crazy cat artists. So do give us a comment. So now I got the shapes how I like them. I mucked over that ear a little bit, the far ear. So I'm just kind of refining things here. Just suggestions of toe beams, toe lines. Not worrying about exactness. More angle than anything. And approximate placement. Kitty's looking down. Classic Tabby M. And those stripes help shape the contour of Kitty's head too. Because they got to go around the roundness of the head. Tongue. Had to fix up that M a little bit because it just was off a little for the angle. Not perfect, but that's okay. Don't be afraid to get your eraser in there. That's what they're for. Just as handy of a drawing tool as a pencil is. And mistakes, of course, are part of the process. Just embrace them as learning opportunities. Get those claws. I think the claws are an important part of this drawing. It's that little face and the claws. The rest kind of, supports it. And I don't want to reinforce the rest too much because it will draw the eye away from the important parts. So you got to think about what's important in your drawing. Might have got that back eye a little bit too dark, but I can fix that. It's a process, and with each one you learn something and you carry it to the next, and that's why you get better and better at it. So just keep practicing. Practice whenever you can. I'm liking Kitty so far. I started with graphite pencil and I'm finishing up with a bit of charcoal so I can smudge out places that are a little bit too dark and dominating. The charcoal helps it really pop. I mucked a bit too much with that back eye. It's always something that doesn't work out quite the way I wanted it to, but that's okay because it's all a learning experience. That's better. And we'll slow down for the whiskers. I was going 4 times the speed in voicing over. Now I've slowed down to the regular speed and putting those whiskers on so you can see what I'm doing. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.